This leaves your home smelling good without flies, without mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. To start this tip, that will be the solution to rid your house of insects. We will use an orange. The ideal is also the use of a knife and cut one end, and then cut in half. The ideal next is also to make a hole in the middle of the larger half of the orange, which we will use as support. In the same hole, we will put a candle, being one of the main items in this tip, to ward off insects. Best of all, this tip works perfectly also as a decoration. Next, we will also use cloves, being ideal to use a good amount by putting directly in the orange. The use of this item is essential, being a natural repellent, acting even when leaving a quantity in some corner of your home. To finish, we will also use two sticks, the same way I'm using. This step is essential for use by keeping other half of the orange above the candle. So when using, it will activate the acidity contained in the oranges, which is a fully effective effect against insects. We can also use other fruits that have an effect against insects. The ideal is then also use a lime. The way of preparation is equal to orange. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to make omelets. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The ideal is again to make a hole to put another candle. The best thing to prepare this tip in different ways is to use it in different places of your home. I use it myself mainly in the living room, kitchen, and also in the bathrooms, being the places that are more concentrated the insects. Just put the cloves again, and then finish using the sticks and the other half of the lemon. This tip is totally effective against insects, mainly because it contains more than one natural ingredient that acts mainly against flies and mosquitoes. My visitors always ask me what the function of this tip is, and are surprised to notice that the absence of insects in my house is mainly by the use of this tip. For use, we should only light the candles and put this tip mainly in places where you have problems with insects. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this mixture in your home. Tell me if you got the desired result for this mixture. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.